Now, it almost goes without saying that the key to any successful paving job is in the preparation. I know it's boring, nobody wants to do it, it's the bit nobody sees, but if you skimp on it, if you get the wrong contractor in to do the job and they don't spend enough time preparing that sub base, then everything goes downhill, quite literally sometimes, from there on. So make sure that that bit is done properly. And in this case, what we've got down is what they call a road stone, a type 1 MOT, that kind of thing, which is a lot of different size material which is compacted, pushed down on that earth, rolled through so that it's absolutely solid as a base. And then when you've got that solid, you can go over the top with your sand just to get the levels right and give yourself what we call a screed. It's very, very important that you look at that job, you dig out any vegetable top, anything that looks like it's going to decompose, anything that contains vegetation has to come off. You cannot lay on top of that kind of ground. So although it requires a bit of digging and sometimes a few skips to get rid of the stuff you don't need, and then you've got to import the stuff you do need, all a bit of a pain, but if you don't do it, you will pay for it several times over in the future.